How to log into your Eldorado account. In this video, I'll show you how you can log into your Eldorado account in under a minute. So first and foremost, go ahead and open up eldorado.gg into your browser. Now from here, go ahead and click on this login button at the top right of your screen. And that will take you into a new section. So in here, you can go ahead and sign into your account with your Google account, Apple account, or Facebook account. If your account is created manually and you have entered your email address and password manually, you can go ahead and enter that in here. But if you've created your account with your Google account, Apple account, or Facebook account, simply select it from here and you'd be signed in to your account. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard where you can buy, sell, or manage orders. And that's it. Quick, simple, and secure. Always enable 2FA for extra protection. And that is how to log into your Eldorado account.